multiplication using two different methods for larger multiplication problems. We're going to use partial products and fact extensions together. So let's take a look at our first problem. We're going to try a multiplication problem like 13 times 20. Now, previously when we've done partial products, we've been breaking each set of numbers down into their specific place value. So the 3 would be worth 3 and 13, and the 1 and 13 would be worth 10. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take our base number, 20, and we're going to use the exact same strategy, except we're going to use the fact extension, because instead of having 2 times 3 and 2 times 10, we've got 20. So we've got 20, let me narrow this, times 3, which we have right here. And we also have 20 times 10. So we've basically taken the fact extension of 20 times 3. We know 3 times 2 is 6. And for the fact extension, all we're doing is we're adding that 0. And it's the same thing when we do it here. 2 times 1 is 2, but because we have 2 zeros in our problem, we have 2 zeros in our answer. Now you have to remember, when you take a number like 60 and 200, it's very important to line up your place values correctly. So we would rewrite it 200 plus 60, add those together, and we get 0, 6, and 2. Get 260. So let's try another one. Let's try 28 times 40. So we're going to take our base number of 40. Let me highlight it that a little bit better. And we're going to multiply that by our 8. So we're going to have 40 times 8 and 40 times 20. Because this is in the tens and this is the 1. So 2 tens gives us our 20. So we know 8 times 4 is 32. And because of our 0, we need to put a 0 in our answer. So we have 320 there. And then for our second problem, we have 4 times 2, which is 8. But because of our 2 zeros here and here, we need to put those in our answer as well. So now we have 320 plus 800. So I'm going to add those two together, 0 and 0, 0, 2 and 0, 2, 8 and 3, 11. So we come out with 1,120. So let's take a couple minutes to practice a few on your own. So I'm going to give you 2 right off the bat. We'll try 36 times 50, and we'll try for our second one. Switch colors here. How about 88 times 30? Give you about 2 minutes to try those, and then we'll check back in. Okay, let's go ahead and check in. So, get my highlighter out. So again, we're going to multiply this bottom number 50 times the number in our ones place, which is 6, and 50 again times the number in the tens, which is 30. So we know 5 times 6 is 30. Add a 0 that we have right here gives us 300. 5 times 3 we know is 15, but because of the 2 zeros we have here, we're going to add those to our answers as well. Going to put our comma, we're going to add those. 1,500 plus 300 gives us 1,800. Okay, On our second problem, we're going to, again, use our bottom number, 30. We have 30, whoops. Times 8 and 30 times 80. So 3 times 8, 24. 1 0 no problem, so we get 1 in our answer. 3 times 8 again is 24. But this time we have 2 zeros, therefore we need 2 zeros here. So now we have 2400 plus 240, which gives us 2,640. So that is how we use partial products and fact extensions to solve double-digit multiplication problems where your base numbers are multiples of 10.